What if you could launch a fully working AI agent with one prompt? Say whatever you need in your business and it goes live in seconds. Until now, building AI voice agents still meant doing it manually. You'd have to write your own call scripts, configure your flows, and create your actions. But now, you can just say what you want, and JustCall's AI builds it for you. Just click the mic, and then describe the agent that you want. So I need an AI voice agent that works like an executive assistant, polite, professional, and handles all my incoming calls for Western real estate. It should qualify leads, book meetings, log everything into HubSpot, and send a confirmation text after every call. And now I'm gonna sit back and let it do all the hard work to build my agent. Boom, my agent is ready. The AI doesn't just fill in scripts, it understands the role, the tone, and business context that I described. It's already anticipated the right questions, built the flow, and shaped the personality exactly the way I asked it to. And if I needed to know more about my business, I can just drop in my website or FAQs. It's that simple. And you can see my AI has already identified the real-time actions I'll need based on my prompt. So all I have to do is connect the tools that I want to use, such as my Google Calendar. And finally, I'm going to assign my AI voice agent a phone number. And now my AI voice agent is live. Stop building AI agents the hard way. With JustCall, you can say it, and your agent is ready in a click. Build smarter today with JustCall.